AHEAD helps clients deploy modern applications and digital infrastructure. We do have a national presence. We serve more complex enterprises, typically Fortune 1000. And among these clients, they typically have some type of digital transformation initiatives that they're undertaking. These could be automating a process, defining a new product line, or even a new route to market. And what we're seeing with most of these clients is they're typically stuck in their transformation. So our goal is to get them unstuck. And this could be through consulting services, directly through technology, or even helping them execute on their own strategy. We kind of have a foot in both worlds. We have a foot in the traditional legacy data center world, which is where most of us grew up. And we've invested heavily over the last 10 years into the cloud world and ultimately application development. VMware has been a cornerstone partner for us, really since I started the company almost 14 years ago. We've consistently invested in VMware strategies year over year. We play in the traditional space, hypervisor space, but we really pride ourselves more on our knowledge around NSX, Cloud Foundation, vRealize, even Tanzu. And we believe these are really the areas that are driving change in transformation within our clients in their organizations. As far as our clients, and I'd say modern application development, the biggest issue we see is not necessarily a technology issue. It's more of a organization and people and adoption issue. So most of our clients, since we're dealing with larger, more frankly, legacy clients that have been around for a while, they're used to doing it one way. And as you look at modern app dev, how do you coordinate your organization? What does your DevOps toolchain look like? These are all new things to them. So we're really focused. We start on what does their organization really have to look like? What type of tools should they be adopting? And then how do we accelerate that and do it at scale? We'll also see pockets of organizations that are doing more modern app dev that could be on-site, that could be in the cloud. And we're really looking at, okay, that's great, but now how do we scale this as a large organization and really bring this to other business units and other application developers? One of the big focus areas we have is how do we stay with our client through the journey? So how do we educate them on the tools? How do we get them to adopt the tools? And then how do we actually provide outcomes? And then how do we scale that? So this is an ongoing process, unlike your typical product sale, where you work towards a sale, it's over, and then you look for the next sale or the upgrade years later. This has become more of a journey of how do we help them really to achieve outcomes and consume those tools over time.